Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now. Make sure your Xbox is on the dashboard and you have router admin access. This saves time. First, decide wired Ethernet versus Wi-Fi. Ethernet reduces lag and packet loss. If you choose Wi-Fi, confirm SSID and password and check for MAC filtering that could block the console. Once done, open Settings, navigate to General, then Network Settings. This puts you directly into the connection workflow, so you can change the network immediately. Now continue with the detailed steps. Go to Settings, General, Network Settings, and then Advanced Settings so you can view IP, DNS, and MAC details. For Wi-Fi, select your SSID, enter the password, and choose whether to use automatic or manual IP. Manual allows fixed IP for port forwarding. For Ethernet, plug the cable, verify the shown link speed, and optionally set a static IP. Make sure to save changes, then run the network test to confirm connectivity and NAT type. Finish by running the Xbox network test to confirm connection, download speed, and NAT type. Open is ideal. If you see strict or moderate, make sure UPnP is enabled on your router or forward Xbox Live ports to the console's IP. This improves matchmaking and party chat. If issues remain, power cycle the console and router, then retest. Often a reboot clears stale DHCP leases. If you still fail, reset network settings on Xbox and re-enter credentials, because that.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.